Hey guys, what's happening? Want to see the most fun game in the world? Traveling in your RV?
The most fun game in the world.
In the world.
In the world.
We're doing it now.
Hey guys, I'm Carrie and this is Mark. Welcome to the Art of RVing. If you're new, thanks for watching and please hit that subscribe button. And if you're returning, we appreciate you guys so much. Thanks again for watching.
And then we're getting on with the game today, and this is the way it's going to work. Okay, so we are on the road, and we are now playing the Stop and See RV travel game. So we have a 4-hour trip, and we've decided that we are going to time 1 hour. And no matter where we are, whether we like it or not, we're safely going to pull over and explore that area. All right, Carrie, here's the timer. 1 hour. You like this game, Carrie?
Kind of gets on my nerves. Actually, I don't want to stop. I just want to keep going.
But we always remember every time we stop and do this.
We're playing though, okay.
All right, so here we go.
Okay, we are pulling into Rico Imports in Canton, Texas.
Yeah, world famous.
Y'all might have heard of Canton. There's huge trade days here once a month.
Okay, let's go and explore. So we're at the very first stop of our RV travel game, and Carrie's made a new friend here.
Little pig.
Look at that, and we are at
Rico Imports.
Rico Imports, and check it out. I'm lost in the cactus. I've got a cactus garden going here. Check out all this work here. Don't forget your cowboy hat. We are in Texas. Rico's. This is the inherent danger of my wife buying stuff every single time. That little, yeah, it is cute.
This is for $10.
So that's part of the
Stop and See travel game.
Yeah.
Look, that his little nose, his little snout.
You can leave it like that, or you can paint it pink. I was gonna paint some.
Stop and See travel game. Look who we've run into. Hey, Rico. Here's Rico of Rico's. Looks like you're getting some Christmas stuff together, if I'm guessing. Is that right?
Yeah, I think penguins.
Some penguins. And here's the watchdog. Okay, our first stop is complete. What do you think?
I liked Rico's. Pretty
Rico's,
cool. Got my
yeah.
little watering can.
We would have never known it without the, what's it called?
Stop and See travel game.
Right.
First stop down. Here we go. 1 more hour.
See what we see. Okay, so here's an honest video. Sometimes you stop and you're stopping at kind of someplace.
Gas station.
A gas station. So here goes the timer. Here we go. So here we are at the Stop and See. But something interesting is here, though. I have to admit that I did stop and see. They sell this really gigantic hot dog. So I want you to check out the size of this hot dog. Man, now that is one big hot dog. It's kind of like a Subway party sandwich, except it's just huge. Look at that thing. I did run into this while we're next to the gas station. Wonder how long it's been since that thing's been in commission. Man, I'd love to rat that thing out. That'd be a great rat ride. Oh, it is. Look at that. Man, I'd love to rat this thing out. I'd keep it just like it is and put a motor in it. Stop and see. I'm stopping and seeing. Pretty cool. All right, so we stopped and we saw. Okay, here goes our next hour.
Here we go.
And away we go. I wonder what we'll stop and see. Maybe it won't be as lame as that one.
Maybe lunch.
Here, we pulled into nowhere, and Timer countdown. There it is. So let's see what we see. Okay, so this is a totally honest. This is probably not going to be your family stop and see, but check out this. Home and investment solutions, huh? I'm not sure how well the investments have gone on this building here. Looks as though they had a drive-through window here at one point. That's been a long time ago. Looks like they were collecting, doing their part. Keeping some cans. There are a lot of cans in there. Come get your tires, used tires, free. Check out this Cadillac that's here. I wonder what year this is. Like is that an 83 or something? Leave the comments below if you know. Man. Whoa. Man, this car's seen better days right here. Man, if you needed parts, this would be your car, that's for sure. Man, let's head back here. Oh, it's windy. 102 degrees in here. Let's go see what this is about. Oh my gosh, oh, it's nice back here. It's so cool. Oh, this must be where they put all their oil. Look at all those oil. Man, I am right on the road. But check this out. This stop and see just got better. Because look what Miss Carrie has got us for lunch.
Okay, so the game is over.
Yes.
We made it to Mother Neff.
We made it to Mother Neff, yes. And then also, if it's with kids or if you think you don't want to stop like we did, where there might not be something there that, well, something you have to pay attention to, be sensitive to, like the gas station.
What are you talking about? It was much easier to play this game without the camper behind us, I have to be honest, because we couldn't just get off any like turn on any road like we did before when we played it in my car, which is smaller. Right. So that was an issue with a camper.
Yeah, and you can vary your time. It's really a lot of fun, and if you want to, you could just be like, well, this looks interesting. The very next thing you see, it doesn't have to be like, we're pulling in the driveway right now. And
it's not as fun. Well, it wasn't as fun for me as it is for him. Yeah, kids would really like it, and you could learn a lot.
Yeah. It's like the adventure. It's like discovering. And so anyway, that's what it's all about. And you let you stretch your legs.
That is true.
Stretch your legs.
And if there's a restroom nearby, you go to the bathroom.
Yeah, it breaks up your trip.
Yeah.
And so anyway, that is the
traveling. Stop and see traveling game.
Stop and see traveling game. So give it a run. Make some comments below. I'd like to hear what your experiences are with that. That would be awesome.
That would be.
I'd like to see that. Hit us up on Instagram. Hit that subscribe button over there, I think.
We're not sure.
We're not sure.
It's around here somewhere.
Somewhere. Okay, later.
How was that?